How to hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of your screen and select Settings option from this drop-down menu. Now you need to scroll down and look for the option of Privacy. Tap on About option. And from this list, you need to select Nobody so that no one will be able to see your about, including your mobile number as well. Once you do that, you will successfully hide your mobile number on WhatsApp. If you wish to unhide, you can easily say it to everyone or my contacts and they can easily see your mobile number on WhatsApp. So if you click on the Nobody, no one will be able to see your mobile number. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.